Okay, a match is found.
Okay. Wait, by the way, look at my ship from the back.
Yeah, I love engines. It's symmetrical.
Oh, look, an even match. Oh, I like Clang Glyphs one.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. Nah, kinda.
What can it's quite nice.
Really.
You, I like it. You know why?
Why? It's productive.
Wait a minute.
It's efficient.
Oh, it was the same as Cloud's ship. I thought it was custom made, but it wasn't.
No, it's not.
What a scam!
Fine, that's like yours. My one is
No,
custom made.
this is. That's why I give it a like.
But nobody liked mine.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I know. Only you. Maybe other people think that this is too good to be custom made. It's bought. Maybe. Not
Actually,
sure.
does look somewhat custom board pot.
Somewhat because I made it too good. Or something. But yeah.
Looks saying it looks like it was bought, because it looks nice.
Yeah. Too good to be made.
Are we red or blue?
We are always blue. The enemy is
Yeah,
always red.
that means we're coming from the bottom. I'll rush B. Yeah, I'll rush point B.
I'm going to CB. C and B, yeah.
Oh, you guys already started? What? Oh, I was late. By the time I spawned in, you guys were capturing B. What bullshit is this? I got scammed.
Going for C. Now I don't need a damn generator. Whoa!
That's right, you didn't notice nothing. Yeah, I didn't notice nothing. Capturing B. C is contested, we've got A. Capturing B, that means we're going to have the advantage.
Can you kill that thing? No, you're not there. Okay.
I captured B. Time to run. Can't stay in one spot or I'll die. Oh. An enemy frigate. This guy could probably deal so at least some damage too. Okay, the enemies are stupid. You know why?
Why?
We can just keep stalling them at C. They don't even try to capture A or B. We can just win with A and B.
My gyros are down.
Like, seriously, look at it. They're like all five of them are at C trying to capture it, and they're losing. And we just capture A and B are just getting points from them.
I'm dead.
We're gonna go capture C. Just rush in there.
Yeah, but you got a frigate doing job.
Oof, I'm getting shot. By Skirble. Go off, Skirble, nobody likes you.
Shooting
Oh, they're
at
coming to
him.
kill me. I'll capture C first, then I'll run. Because I can't hold my own in the fight.
I can hold my own.
I can't hold my own in the fight with this. Therefore, I'm running. Oh, they know that I'm speed based. They're trying to kill me. Yeah, they're trying to kill me.
They're also trying to kill me.
And they're trying very hard to kill me. Literally two of them just broke off from the pack and just started attacking me.
This ship is not as well made as my ship, my battleship, because there are
Okay,
weak
okay. They
points.
started being smart. Problem is I'm smarter. I'm capturing the B secretly. Which I will go rush to get. Just one thing, take my advice. If you linger close, safety prone. You and I are not the same. You want
I have to
the
remember that this is not my battleship. I don't have
burden
360
of
degree
my
shooting.
name. Rushing over to point B. You think I should? You think I should remove my weapon and replace it with another thruster?
I'm not sure because I'm more to attack. So yeah, I
Yeah,
see the wrong
whoever's
person.
fighting Corny, keep distracting them. Oh, whoever's
I'm
fighting
fighting
Scrubber.
with Connie.
Okay, whoever's distracting Scrubber as well, keep distracting them.
Okay, speed is my genuine enemy because I can't aim when I'm so fast.
Goodbye, suckers. And I'm leaving.
Okay, the speed is actually screwing with my aiming. I can't zoom when aiming.
It's basically the same as if you were fighting somebody who was
No,
fast.
that's different. The problem is because I always zoom when aiming, so when I'm moving so fast, my screen just too small for that. Or maybe I don't have phasers.
Oh, apparently I killed somebody. I'm really not sure how, but apparently I killed somebody. Thanks, Clanglyph. That's I needed.
They took out one of my wing. There are bombs on it, right?
So, no problem. I can fly up fast and those things can explode. By far. I'm way faster. Okay, time to go for B.
I got a win.
Okay. I won all 3 points when we win.
I'm bad using a frigate. I'm bad at with a battleship. Yeah, I'm good with a frigate.
It's basically just running capture. There's not much to
I
be
like
good at.
fighting. I love fighting so much.
Then
I'm
don't
gonna
be a frigate.
shoot.
See top, easy.
Fine, you want to play top? Bring it. Battleship.
Just saying, if you're frigate, you're fast. So what you should be doing is capturing points, capturing power-ups, and upgrading,
Alright,
and capturing upgrades for your power-up for your points.
I see. Because I have a pretty good frigate, I just don't know how to use it. You ready?
Adding another thruster.
Oh my god. I'm good with a battleship. I don't know that. I don't know why. I'm just good with battleships. Because I like staying one place and shooting everyone.
Alright, 388 speed. Let's go.
Alright, 96 speed. Let's go. 94 actually. that that's
So
a
you
bad ship.
stay not that. You just stay at points and just defend them.
Yeah, that's my battleship purpose. Because
Then
I have
that
like
means
25,000 health.
that means you secure 1 point. That means I'll just need to get running between 2 points and capturing them right after the enemy captures them back.
I'm just tanking and shooting them to death because my heavy lasers actually can do a lot of damage.
Basically, my job is to annoy.
And my job is to tank and destroy.
Hang on, wait.
Oh,
Let
seriously?
me just remove this.
Oh, yes, OCD, right?
Wait, that. What's my speed now? 405. Let's go.
Oh, what? 405? Wow.
Yes. Okay, never mind. I can't make 405 because it needs a weapon. Useless.
It is a damn weapon.
Oh, useless. Need weapon. Hang on, wait a minute. Oh, I'll just go for the weapon that gives the least weight. That has the lowest mass so that it doesn't obstruct the speed. There's 630. I'll put one phaser. Right there.
Oh, wow, you're going for the lightest possible. Amazing.
390 speed. Let's go.
What's your health?
4823.
Four.
But just now I nearly died in like 5 seconds.
I think I can melt you pretty fast with my battleship.
You can melt me pretty fast.
But
Anybody can melt me pretty fast. They can kill me in like 5 to 10 seconds. Problem is, if I stay still for them to do it.
yeah, you can juke me very easily because my battleship is so slow. But if you run into me, too bad.
I'm 4 times faster than you. Imagine if like you were just capturing, like you're just trying to kill me. I just kept running between the 3 points and capturing them.
Yeah, my battleship is so slow. I can only stay in 1 point. But if you go to that point, you're dead.
Which means you have to stay at 1 point and hide yourself so that they will come to you.
Yeah. And they're just going into a trap. I can basically 1v3 people. This ship is good. It's so well made. Because I have 360-degree firing up. And basically I can at least fire two shots at once. So this is a really good ship.
Like yours.
Gonna like yours, why not? If this other people's ship, I'm not gonna like it because it's a little ugly, you know what I'm saying?
Wow, it's not meant to look nice, it's meant to be fast.
Wow, this is nice, I got like this. This is
Who? Oh, Dexter. Dexter is quite nice, but I like chimeras.
Wait, did I get scammed? Because Dexter's ship is like repeated.
Yeah, it's repeated.
Oh
Hazard has it as well.
God.
Chimera on the other hand, look at his.
I think this bot as well. I see this a lot of times.
Really, I haven't seen this before.
I've seen this a lot.
I haven't seen this specific design.
Well, no one made my dreadnought design yet.
Okay, but what we need to watch out for is the enemy frigate and me, and our dreadnought. No, not dreadnought. Basically two 180s.
180s.
Yes, there's a 180 on our team and 180 on the enemy team.
Well, basically, I don't think those numbers mean anything.
I think they mean overall strength of the ship. Meaning the higher the better.
Maybe. But I wreck a lot of people, so.
Alright, let's see. Let me just rush to C. Like right now.
I'm going to C as well. Wow, we have the same idea as me.
Alright, and let's see engine overload. I should be going at like maybe 400, 500 now per second.
Well, I'm moving 97.
Oh look, I'm at C and that means I'm still like 6,000 meters away. I'm just gonna capture this, don't mind me. And then I'm gonna run for my life. Cause they will try to murder me.
Alright.